Vein disease ranges from spider veins, which may be cosmetic, to skin changes and ulcers. So this is certainly a case of more advanced vein disease. She's had some prior treatments already. We've used radio frequency on the upper part of the leg to help take the pressure out of the lower part of the veins, but still some persistent varicosities in need of injection and direct treatment. A great solution to treat these veins is using Varithena, where we can simply just inject a medicine into these veins to help get them to seal closed and stop putting so much pressure on the skin, anticipating a good result for our patient. What kind of weekend plans you got going on, Vicki?
I don't. Gonna try to keep trying.
Well, hopefully it doesn't rain on us too much.
They say it's not supposed to, but I don't believe in very often.
Just got the Pronox here today, using that to help with the anxiety, a little nitrous oxide there. So you can see a lot of inflammation, skin changes just as a result of the chronic back pressure put in by the diseased veins in the legs. So we got these black circles here. You can see down deeper, there's a vein that's already been treated, but here up close to the surface, and then coming down into this more inflamed area, we have some bad veins. Let's picture those black circles there. So there's one right in the kind of top center of the screen. Really going right into this inflamed area. So getting good treatment on that can help keep the tissue healthy, prevent infections, prevent wounds or ulcers from developing. Little stick. You can see on the screen, actually, this black circle that we had there now is turning into a white line if I kind of look at it longitudinally there. And that's that vein filling up with the medicine there. So that's a sign of a good injection. That's what we want to see. So that was the first injection there. We're going to hold some pressure over this, get everything activated, working, reassess, see if there's any other areas down close to this tissue here. We'll just do another injection here in a minute. We're all done. From here, we'll just be putting a couple band-aids on and a compression wrap, which will help the veins to heal up appropriately and reduce any post-procedure pain or soreness or anything like that. She can drive herself home, even using the Pronox or the laughing gas there, the nitrous oxide. You're still able to drive afterwards, go to work afterwards, walk afterwards. All in all, normal day-to-day activity. There's no restrictions on. We just want some good compression over the leg to help with the healing. Some people notice relief within 24 to 48 hours. Now, a lot of times initial or improvements are masked by some post-procedural soreness, which is overall very mild and limited. Most people equate it to like having a sore muscle or maybe a bruise like kind of tender area where the shots were or the veins are healing. So sometimes that can take a few weeks afterwards to take effect there. We utilize a little non-adherent bandage here over that sore spot, make sure none of the skin's getting into the bandage itself. We'll put a specialized bandage called a Unirap medicated bandage there. It will help provide good compression. It's also medicated and it helps to soothe the skin, not let this little sore develop into something worse. It's a 2-layer compression bandage. This actually provides more of the direct compression here. But it's just really important to know that there are things that can be done for this. Wound care is a very important part of care to get a wound to heal, but we also want to identify and treat the underlying vein disease when that's present or contributing to a wound. And so we're trying to optimize everything we can to keep the legs healthy and mobile, prevent infections in the leg or wounds that persist for months or even years in some patients' cases. All right, all done.
Thank you.
Yes, absolutely. The Pronox helps, doesn't it?
Everything else.
Go to cincyveins.com and schedule a consultation today. The Vein Center of Cincinnati, your center for vein health.